Good day to you all. As you all are aware that we are going through some difficult times, but that does not mean that we just have to wait and see what's going to happen around us. As you know that we have been, Ministry for Youth and Sports has been reaching out to areas where there is no coronavirus. And one particular area is yours. You people have put in your request for assistance, and we are happy to provide you this. And we hope that when you go back, you'll be in full force doing farming. And I know the numbers are not here because of the restrictions. We do understand that. But my plea today here is that please give all your energy towards this project, because at the moment we can't do much. Right? There are certain things that we can do, there are certain things that we can't do. But these are some of the things that we can do. And I want to assure you that as you will go along in your program, and if you need more assistance, definitely our youth officers are here. They will come and oversee, they will monitor. And if there is any assistance that will require later on, definitely we will assist. I'm told that a total of 87 youths will benefit out of this program. And also, I want to thank the landowners for giving the land. I've been also now told that there's total of 15 acres of land that has been given to both youth clubs. So, we should thank them, listen to them. They are your elders. They have done their share of work. Now it is our turn. And that is why I'm here in person to talk to you, so that you can take this message to your youths in your respective areas and tell them that why it is so important for you as a youth to carry on what your elders have done. So with these few words, I want to wish you all the best for the program, and please stay safe. That's very important, right? And try to go and tell in your villages that why vaccination is so important. For this coronavirus, vaccine is the answer, right? If you see the deaths, those people who are dying, those who didn't have vaccines. So pass on this message. It is important because we love them and we want them to be with us. So I want to urge today to all of you who are present here, go back, explain this to your elders and why this vaccine is so important. Okay? So once again, thank you so much. God bless. Naka.
Inaka samatarangi mata pabina-binay na manakalu ina bukuni lebai barutaki kan lahat apa ngangandre ina bukuni wikuala meado na hinga bina nikwa jin mas tastan raya ina bukuni wikuala meado macam non teki na kutunga kena kalu na bukun labi watabi labi adunguchu na bukuni lemachu hango macam lebai na bukuni hinga bina nikwa macam lebai bina muni na bukuni matanichu na limani bibuke machi tasikilisa ko tinjina ni ada ko tonangan rendre silai tabia machi babna ko to ni tasirewa ni landima na labi buke na tolabia ko to na hongo ni tamba vero na ndonga me kontak na hongo tamba vero na lami chuna inga bani ko chungulombo balisana rona rauna to silva li machi babna ko toke ina inga bani ko machi babna tikina mun ko to ina bukuni mani bingo rabi dondol nga kote na bukuni lemachu rara na bukuni mas tamba verro ya machipa bina ni bila na mbaki machin rohamike machipa bina kote ni mbangi bahila moni la na bibuki